What the fuck? Oh.
Just 3.
Oh, 3?
Yeah. All right, are we good?
We're good.
All right. We got the guys over here helping out today. We got Jeff climbing in. So far he's got the Holley Terminator mounted on the, whatever we're calling this, A-pillar lower section thing. Footwell, I don't know. So we got that in place. We're gonna mount our battery. We got a sweet Optima battery with this little tray thingy. We're gonna put that up here somewhere. And Faber, John, made a little bracket for us to mount our display unit, which is right there for the Holley. Sean just showed up. He thought it was Friday. It is Saturday today.
Supervisor.
And John's getting some stuff done for the brake lights with some of the solder seal stuff. So just getting going here. We're going to get some stuff mounted, then we can start running some wires. Faber's making up a wire, our ground wire. Jeff's got the battery mounted. Is it secure, Jeffrey?
Yeah, give her a little tug.
Okay, good. All right, and we welded in a ground lug to the chassis there. And now what are we doing, Jeff?
I don't know what we're doing.
Oh, okay. I guess we'll find something to do.
End of our...
All right, we better find something to do. All right, Jeff's in here. We're just running the power to the Terminator. I'm just going up through some factory nutserts down to the battery. And I'm preparing the harness to give to him through the firewall. And these Holley harnesses are nice because they go in easy. Allegedly. Jeff loves this engine. It's almost unhealthy. You just can't get enough. Are you grunting?
Yeah.
Oh, no, actually he is just trying to hook up the oil pressure sensor. That's why Jeff's here. But it does look weird.
Why would you put that there?
I don't know. Good morning, guys. It's quieter today. It's just me for now. I think Jeff's coming here in a little bit. And we got a fair bit done yesterday. I didn't do much filming, but we got the majority of the engine wired. We're still waiting on some coils to arrive, and then we can get that wired up. We still have obviously a ton more to do, but well, not a ton because this car doesn't have a ton of wiring in the first place, but we'll continue to go after this today. We're also hoping to get some TIG welding lessons from Justin today, which will be fun. I'll maybe film some of that too so you can see some of that.
Yeah, you don't want the oil melting in. Okay, not bad. Bad. Tungsten closer. Back off the wheel a little bit. Oh, there's so much going on right now.
Those guys suck.
Okay, wait, don't dab. Okay, move toward me with the puddle. I think I just have to have them watch and I can explain as I'm going.
Okay. That seemed like, yeah, you're really...
I gave her the beans.
No, you didn't. You were at 68.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're just moving
super slow.
Yeah.
And then
that
on
thing's
top
the...
of that, like... So there's no puddle, there's the puddle forming. And then you start out with a dab. And then once it puddles out smoothly and the edges tie in nice, then move forward with it and then re-dab. Dab, forward, dab, forward, dab, forward.
Just easy like that.
So easy, Jeff. Why didn't you just do that?
I don't know.
Jeez, Jeff.
You make it look so easy.
Alright, so yesterday Jeff and I got a few more things done with the electrical side of things, and we did some practice of TIG welding. So, let me see who's who. Okay, so this was our instructor's first bead, just getting the settings in. And then I took a chance, or a few shots, and it wasn't great. Jeff got a few over here. And then we did, what did we do this side next? Started off with the instructor, then I went at it the rest of the way here. And so we're improving. They say it takes practice, and now I understand why. So it's not really the machine's fault. It's the fact that I just expect myself to be good at it or good enough at it, and I'm certainly not. So, but we did find a few machine errors. We were leaking gas. We didn't have enough gas. I had a whatever the heck this thing's called is just filled. What is this thing called? Mesh. It's not mesh. Well, half of you know what it's called. I'll think of it later. But anyway, ours is all crappy. So by now you guys probably know I don't care that much about looks on my race car. At least I'm usually pretty interested in just going fast, but I'll be darned, that looks pretty good. I mean, just look at it, would you? Woo woo. There's no way I'm going to make you watch all this wiring I'm doing, but I just wanted to give you an update kind of where we're at currently. Got our main starter wire run. All the engine harnesses there except for a few sensors I'm waiting on. Haven't done the fans yet. I do have fan kits with heavy duty relays and 60 amp fuses and whatnot. We've got our little switch panel, and our master kill switch there will also mount our fire extinguisher pull handle up there. Distribution block down there, the Switch Pro, the brains of the switch panel up here. Batteries mounted down here, and that's, geez, that doesn't seem like much. I still have all the ABS stuff over there to mount or finish, I guess, running those wires. I did get my fuel pump wire and brake lights run, so that's what's going on here. And in other news, I think I already told you this, but Justin stopped by. I probably showed you some clips, but I had to do a little welding today, and it actually worked. It's not, I mean, you wouldn't call this pretty, you wouldn't pay money for this, but two pieces are one. And I'm pretty pleased to know that if I really need to do some TIG welding, I should be able to do something at least. So I probably wouldn't trust myself to do a tank or something important at this point, but it's progress. And again, I still haven't spent much time with it, but I just sat down and spent 5 minutes with that today, and it worked. So I'm pretty happy about it. Anyway, I don't think I have much to put a video together yet, but I've been working every day. It's just a bunch of tedious wiring, and it takes a lot of time, and it's not worth you watching, but I'll show you progress as we go. Since I started electrical, I've had a bad habit of not filming stuff, and maybe that's not such a bad thing because I've probably been sharing too much stuff. But I just finished my dash here. I made this little aluminum mount for it, and it's not secured yet. I'm going to take it out and paint it black, flat black, so it's not shining in my eyeballs. But it fits perfectly. I'm happy with it. I sat in the car earlier to make sure I could see the dash, and having it as low as possible like this is where it needs to be for me to see through this tiny little steering wheel. So that came out nice. I'm gonna paint it like I said. I should paint that thing black too, but I probably won't. Maybe I will. We'll see. Anyway, back to more electrical stuff now. I'll just give you updates, like I said. How many cans of black spray paint do you guys keep around? I think I'm down to 4 or 5 right now. but I've got some flat here. I sort of prepped this, and I get to watch it move while I paint it. Alright, I've got like 6 wires left to hook up and then clean up a little bit of wiring. I'm gonna at least call it there because I need to get a video out and we're gonna work on plumbing in the next video, so I'm gonna pretend like it's all ready, done, even though it's not. Also, a little plug for this DEI heat shield stuff. I like it because I never have the forethought to install the sleeve before I do the wiring. So this has a little Velcro thing, and I've got it in the red car and it works even right up next to the headers. It doesn't like delaminate or anything, so just something to protect the wires that are close to the headers. Obviously these are heading off to the fans. Those are the couple wires I got left. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Smash buttons, love you, bye.